Mabuhay! Welcome back again guys to my channel. Into this video we're here to do the catfishing, and now I'm gonna use this bait for catfishing. This is the soap. This soap is Zote soap. This is, what is this? This is Mexican soap. So we're going to try if it's work for the catfishing for today. So we are going to open the soap. The color of this soap is white, and we are going to cut this by pieces as a size of cat beating size. Smell good. So let's try. This is Zote soap. Zote soap. So let's cut. Okay. So this one I will going to, this is only half or 1 inch the size. So now I will going to cut half again. Just cut half, my love, or 3 pieces. Cut half. Okay, so we're going to make it half. And this one, I can make this 1, 2, 3. So it will be 4 slices, and it will be half also by the 4 slices. So it will be 8 pieces. So this one is a good beating size for catfishing, guys. So now we will going to hook into our noodle. So this is the hook that I'm going to use. Just hook in the middle of the soap and bring it back. Okay, so and drop down in the water. So let it be there in the water, guys, and let's see if how long it will going to take to get the fish. Let's wait for a while and wish me luck. Let's go fishing.